Craving for a recipe that's quick, tasty and filling? We have got just the thing for you. It's flavorful, healthy and made with ingredients you probably already have at home. Welcome to Rannar Osmita, and today we are whipping up some Bread Uttapam. Let's get started with the base for our Uttapam. In a mixing bowl, grab some Suji or semolina. Add in a bit of curd to make the Uttapam soft and fluffy. Sprinkle in some salt to taste, and then a little water to get the right consistency. And there you have it. Your basic batter for quick Uttapam is ready. Then add any veggies you like. We went with mix of chopped onions, grated carrots, capsicums, tomatoes, green beans, some chilies based on your heat preference, and a handful of fresh coriander. These veggies not only make the Uttapam colorful, but also add a burst of flavor and a crunch to every bite. Mix the vegetables with the Uttapam batter until you have a consistency like this. Now grab your favorite bread, whole wheat, white or brown, whatever you prefer. You can also cut the crust off for a cleaner look, but that's totally optional. Take a slice of bread and spread the Uttapam batter over it, just like you would with the butter on toast. Make sure the veggies are nicely packed into the batter for maximum flavor. Heat up a non-stick pan or tawa on medium heat and drizzle a little oil to coat the surface. Once the pan is hot, place the bread slices Uttapam side down. Lower the flame and let it cook for about a minute until it gets nice and golden. Carefully flip the bread and let the other side toast up for another couple of minutes until it's golden and crispy. Your bread Uttapams are ready. Serve them up hot with some coconut chutney or sambar on the side. Perfect for breakfast, lunch or even a light dinner. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!